Welcome to this tutorial on managing extensions in Safari browser. Extensions are small software programs that add new features to your browser, enhancing your browsing experience. To manage extensions in Safari, start by opening the Safari browser on your device. First, click on the Safari menu in the top left corner of the screen and select Preferences. This will open the Safari Preferences window. Click on the Extensions tab, which is usually located on the top right corner of the window. This tab lists all the extensions currently installed on your Safari browser. To install a new extension, click on the App Store button at the bottom left corner of the Extensions window. This will take you to the App Store where you can browse and download available extensions. Once you find an extension you want to install, click the Get button next to it. Then click Install. To enable or disable an extension, simply toggle the switch next to the extension name in the Extensions window. If the switch is blue, the extension is enabled, and if it is gray, the extension is disabled. You can also uninstall an extension by clicking on the Uninstall button next to the extension name. Another way to manage extensions is by using the Extensions menu in the Safari toolbar. To access this menu, click on the Safari menu and select Extensions. Then select Manage Extensions. This will give you a list of all installed extensions, allowing you to enable, disable, or uninstall them. It is also important to note that some extensions may require access to certain features on your device, such as your location or contacts. When installing an extension, make sure to review the permissions it requires and only grant access if necessary. Best practices for managing extensions include regularly reviewing your installed extensions and uninstalling any that you no longer use. This helps to keep your browser running smoothly and securely. Additionally, only install extensions from trusted sources, such as the App Store, to minimize the risk of installing malicious software. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your extensions in Safari browser, enhancing your browsing experience while maintaining the security and performance of your device.